Plantings are where GrowTrack becomes active. A planting is not a label or a permanent record. A planting represents action taken at the point in time. What you planted, where you planted it, when you planted it. Replacements and mid-season changes. Each and every planting has a beginning and an end. This matters because time changes everything in the garden. A planting in early spring behaves differently to the same crop planted later. Spacing, care and harvest, timings all shift. Plantings link crops to beds at specific moments. That link is what drives GrowTrack's intelligence. Tasks are created from plantings. Alerts are timed around planting dates. Harvest windows are calculated from planting activity. If GrowTrack feels responsive, it's because plantings exist. It is completely normal to have multiple plantings in the same crop. Successive sowings. Planting is tracked independently within its own timeline. This gives you clarity instead of confusion. Plantings are also designed to change. Real gardens are not static. Plans adjust. Weather interferes. Crop fails or succeeds unexpectedly. GrowTrack expects this. You can edit planting dates, you can adjust quantities, you can remove or replace plantings. Updating plantings improves accuracy. It doesn't break the system. Plantings also gives Rowan context. Now, Rowan understands what is planted and when. Rowan uses that information to give specific guidance. Better plantings lead to better advice. Plantings are the engine of GrowTrack. They turn structure into action. They turn plans into timelines. They turn observation into guidance. With gardens defined and beds in place, plantings bring the system to life. In the next video, we'll look at Rowan and explain how you use your garden's intelligence effectively.